So today's Tuesday. It's 9:15. I woke up rather late today. Usually I wake up at around 8 or 8:30. But yeah. So today's Tuesday and it's actually pretty dark outside. I'm not gonna go to the office today. I'm gonna work here in the library. I'm gonna meet up with some friends for lunch and then I'm gonna continue working in the library or maybe in a coffee shop. We'll see. So yeah, follow me today. Okay, apparently it's really cold today and yeah, it's supposed to be summer. It's June 30th, but for some reason it's pretty cold. That's why I'm wearing a jacket. So yeah, I'm heading to the library right now and yeah, I'm gonna study there. No, I'm gonna work there instead of going to the office. So okay, so I'm heading out now and I'm gonna meet my friends in a restaurant for lunch and yeah, I'm gonna see them there. Sorry. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hey you. We're done with lunch and yeah, we're going for coffee. Why?
Because they spoke without doing anything. Action. They move their ass instead of talking.
So for the next 20 years, you should stop talking to talky guys.
Exactly. I will.
Okay, so I decided to leave my friends. I'm going back to the library here because I'm thinking that it would be better to have a quiet place for the webinar I'm attending. So yeah, I would want to do that and yeah, I'm going back to the library. Carolina and I are done. We're basically just going home.
Exactly.
And we're planning to exercise maybe. She's going to, are you going to swim?
I will pretend to run. That's the plan.
She will pretend to run. Maybe me too, I will pretend to run. And then I'll just end up walking, but we'll see.
Yeah.
So yes, see you in a while. Okay, so now I'm back in my apartment. It's 6:30 in the evening. And I was actually planning the entire day to go to the gym. But then I am really lazy if the weather is really not that good. It's pretty cold too outside. So I'm not feeling it going to the gym. So yeah, I think I'll stay here. And I'm planning to grind on this book. Dynamic Programming and Optimal Control. So yeah, there's that. I have my entire night and then maybe edit this video as well. I have so much things to do actually. Yeah, so I think I'll be working here at home. I'll have dinner and then maybe later in the evening I'll watch a movie or something. But yeah, I don't think I'll be going out. So yeah, that's basically my life here as a PhD student currently, especially because the pandemic has really brought down a lot of our schedule. So we're not allowed to go to the office, although tomorrow is July 1st, so everybody would be allowed, or there will be no specified number of students who can go to the office. So I can go anytime to the office starting tomorrow. But yeah, since the pandemic, this has been my routine, either go to the library or just really stay here at home because I have my computer, so it doesn't really matter. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that and see you next time.